Hello students, this is the continuation of the previous video, that is video 2 of chapter 16 local self-government. Now open page number 103. In this video we'll discuss about district panchayat. District panchayat is at the third level in the local self-government. District Panchayat is the topmost level of three-dimensional Panchayati Raj. So this District Panchayat is also called Zilla Panchayat, and it is at the top level among the three-tier system of Panchayati Raj, that is Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat. Formation. There are minimum 32 and maximum 52 members in district panchayat. Number of seats are decided according to the population of district. 50% seats are reserved for women. So, how many members are there in district panchayat? That is minimum kam se kam 32 and maximum 52. And the seats are decided according to the population of the district. अपनी वस्ती के आधार पर the seats are decided. 50% seats are reserved for women. आरक्षित है for women. Concerned voters of the constituency elect their members. President and vice president are elected by the elected members on the basis of majority. Then the concerned voters, the person who are voting, the people who are voting, the voters of the constituency. Constituency means मत विस्तार, चुनाव क्षेत्र हमारे एरिया में जो है वो, are elect the members, and this president and vice president are elected by the elected members. These elected members, they elect the president and vice president on the basis of majority. Different committees like executive committee, social justice committee, education committee, construction committee, health committee, etc. are formed with the help of elected members, and tenure of district panchayat is of 5 years. Tenure means it is the election is held once all are elected, they rule for 5 years. So after 5 years again the election is held. And which are the committees? Committee and which are the different committees? Samitis are formed. That is the executive committee, then the social justice committee, education committee, construction committee and health committee. Administration. The administrative head of district panchayat is called DDO. So the administrative head, that is द प्रशासनिक प्रमुख जो होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर, दैट इज़ DDO, जिला विकास अधिकारी के नाम से वो जाना जाता है. ही और शी इज़ अपॉइंटेड बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अपॉइंट्स हिम. डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत इंटीग्रेट्स एंड इम्प्लीमेंट्स द स्कीम ऑफ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. नाउ दिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत इंटीग्रेट्स, सबको एक करता है, एंड इम्प्लीमेंट्स द स्कीम ऑफ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, अमल में करता है, जो स्कीम है जो योजना है उसका अमल करता है. फंक्शंस. डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत कंट्रोल्स द एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ ग्राम पंचायत एंड तालुका पंचायत एंड हेल्प देम. सो वॉट एवर वर्क द ग्राम पंचायत एंड तालुका पंचायत डज, उसको कंट्रोल करता है, गतियों को नियंत्रित करते हैं और उन्हें मदद करते हैं. हेल्प देम, मदद करते हैं तालुका और ग्राम पंचायत को. मैनेजेस एंड कंट्रोल्स रेवेन्यू, एजुकेशन, कोऑपरेशन, इरिगेशन, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, एग्रीकल्चर एक्सेट्रा एट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल. देन इट मैनेजेस एंड कंट्रोल्स, कंट्रोल नियंत्रण करता है, मैनेज प्रबंध करता है किसका? रेवेन्यू यानी टैक्स, एजुकेशन शिक्षा, कोऑपरेशन यूनिटी सहयोग, इरिगेशन सिंचाई, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री पशुपालन, एग्रीकल्चर यानी खेतीबाड़ी, इन सब का वो कंट्रोल एंड मैनेजेस. डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेल्थ ऑफिसर्स, डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्राइमरी एजुकेशन ऑफिसर्स, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसर्स, district social welfare officers, Deputy Executive Engineer are in charge of district panchayat. Then who all are there under the district panchayat? All are these officers, the अधिकारी. कौन कौन से अधिकारी? तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्राइमरी एजुकेशन ऑफिसर, एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसर, social welfare officer, deputy executive engineer. All these are in the charge of district panchayat. Now turn your page number 104. Social Justice Committee. The Social Justice Committee is responsible for creating and implementing the schemes so that the weaker section of society can get education, health, social and economic facilities. So Social Justice Committee, that is Samajik Nyay Committee. Now this Social Justice Committee इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल, किसके लिए ज़िम्मेदार है? तो योजना बनाने में और लागू करने में, दैट इज़ क्रिएटिंग एंड इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द स्कीम सो दैट द वीकर सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी, जो कमज़ोर वर्ग है समाज में, उन लोगों को फ़ायदा हो, उन लोगों को फैसिलिटी मिले. किसकी फैसिलिटी? एजुकेशन यानी शिक्षा अभ्यास, हेल्थ यानी स्वास्थ्य, सोशल सामाजिक, इकोनॉमिक दैट इज़ आर्थिक सुविधाएं मिल सके. दिस कमिटी इज़ मेड अप ऑफ 5 members at the level of taluka panchayat and district panchayat. Now in this committee, Social Justice Committee, there are 5 members. The formation of Social Justice Committee is compulsory at all 3 levels of Panchayati Raj. So in Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat, at all the levels, Social Justice Committee is there and it is compulsory. Functions of this committee is to impart justice to the weaker section. And what is the function of Social Justice Committee? To give justice, न्याय देने का. जो कमज़ोर वर्ग के लोग हैं उन लोगों को न्याय देने का. Urban administration. Urban means city. Urban means city, शहर का administration. There is a municipality in the cities having the population of 1 lakh or more and corporation in cities having the population of 5 lakh or more. And both of these are known as the organization of local self-government. So in the starting of the chapter only, we saw the chart where it was bifurcated that the local self-government is divided into two, that is village administration and city administration. So this is city administration where there is municipality and corporation. Cities having population of 1 lakh or more have municipality, that is Nagarpalika, and population of 5 lakh or more have corporation. These areas are decided according to the population. Now whether it is a municipality or corporation, it is decided according to the population. जनसंख्या के आधार पर तय किया जाता है कि नगर पालिका है या कॉरपोरेशन है. Elections are generally held every 5 years. All the voters of city having voting rights can participate in the election. So जो लोग रहते हैं शहर में, voters, they have voting rights and they can participate in the election. वो लोग उसमें भाग ले सकते हैं. Corporation. There is a corporation in the cities generally having the population up to 25,000 or more, and minimum number of candidates in corporation is 28. So the members in corporation minimum कम से कम 28 होते हैं. Formation. Areas of municipality are divided into various wards on the basis of population. One ward consists of 4 members. So, on the basis of population, जनसंख्या के आधार पर the area of municipality is divided into various wards. विभिन्न वार्ड में विभाजित किया जाता है और एक वार्ड में 4 सदस्य 4 members होते हैं. 50% out of them are reserved for women members. 50% वुमन के लिए आरक्षित है, रिजर्व्ड है. President and Vice President are selected from the elected members. जो इलेक्ट हुए हैं मेंबर्स उसमें से और दो इलेक्ट करते हैं, एक होता है प्रेसिडेंट और दूसरा वाइस प्रेसिडेंट. The president is the head of the elected members, and among these elected members, the head is called the president. His or her tenure is of 2.5 years. So, he remains on the post for 2.5 years. He is the chairman of the corporation. चेयरमैन यानी वो अध्यक्ष कहलाता है कॉरपोरेशन का. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. Various committees are formed from the elected members. Now, those members who are elected in the election, they form committees. समिति बनाई जाती है. Which are the committees that are made? Executive Committee, Finance Committee, Health and Hygiene Committee, Construction Committee, etc. are constituted as per the requirement. So, कमिटी बनाई जाती है. एग्जीक्यूटिव यानी कार्यपालक कमिटी, फाइनेंस यानी वित्त कमिटी, हेल्थ एंड हाइजीन दैट इज स्वास्थ्य और स्वच्छता कमिटी, एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन कमिटी. द हेड ऑफ म्यूनिसिपैलिटी इज कंसिडर्ड एज द चीफ ऑफिसर. म्यूनिसिपैलिटी का जो हेड होता है वी कॉल इट एज अ चीफ ऑफिसर, मुख्य अधिकारी. He is appointed by the state government, and this chief officer is appointed by state government. Now, functions. What are the functions which are performed by municipality? Following works are carried out by municipality for the well-being of people. Water supply management, पानी की पूर्ति व्यवस्था करना. Road management, disposal of wastewater, सैनिटेशन सिस्टम दैट इज सड़कों को बनाना, खराब पानी का निकाल और स्वच्छता बनाए रखना. सैनिटेशन स्वच्छता बनाए रखना. रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ बर्थ, डेथ एंड मैरिजेस, जन्म, मृत्यु और विवाह का रजिस्ट्रेशन करना. टाउन प्लानिंग एंड एजुकेशन मैनेजमेंट. फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर, एक्शन अगेंस्ट द सेल ऑफ inedible items. Fire extinguisher means आग बुझाने का यंत्र. And action against the sale of inedible items. अखाद्य वस्तु की बिक्री के खिलाफ कार्यवाही करना. The things which are dangerous for us while eating, their action should be taken and stop selling it. Providing facilities of garden and library. बगीचा और पुस्तकालय की सुविधा प्रदान करना. कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ कल्चरल बिल्डिंग्स और ऑडिटोरियम, और सांस्कृतिक भवन, कल्चरल बिल्डिंग, ऑडिटोरियम यानी सभागार, उसका निर्माण करना. टू बिल्ड एंड मेंटेन इट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ रेस्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर will continue in the next video.